For over 160 years, FS Curtis has been known for providing quality products that are built to last. At NB Sales and Service, we're proud to offer FS Curtis air compressors, dryers, and filters for your commercial and industrial needs. We've been an FS Curtis distributor for over 20 years, and our local customers have come to trust in the reliable performance of these air compressors. FS Curtis air compressors are well made and will last for many years with proper maintenance. When you purchase your FS Curtis air compressor, our professionals can even install it for you. Installing it yourself without the proper electrical knowledge is risky because you could void the warranty if you were to install it incorrectly. We can help protect your warranty by performing the installation and taking care of the preventative maintenance your air compressor needs over time. For more information on our FS Curtis products, call us today at 661-397-1950.